Hola, bonjour, ohayo gozaimasu. Nous sommes lundi, es lunes, getsuyobi desu yo. It's Monday, we're talking about how your brain works because we can leverage that and learn faster. This was an interesting article I found. Some people refer to spelling as a mechanical skill, but that's not what our brain imaging research shows. So this is kind of a corollary to the last one we talked about, handwriting, okay? Spelling is a way of accessing meaning. It's connected to the parts of the brain that involve executive functions and self-government. Now, there's been a lot more research, and we know a lot more about effective ways to teach spelling, but it's at a time when spelling has just about disappeared from the curriculum, just like handwriting did. So a lot of people are like, oh, you've got a spell checker on your computer. We don't have to worry about this. Okay, a lot of math teachers are saying, you have a calculator in your pocket. I don't have to teach you the times tables. Well, if you understand the times tables, then you know how the numbers relate to each other. So it makes all of math make more sense. Okay, so the spelling is a crucial part of language. So I'm going to talk mostly about French because you can see very easily in French how important it is. They have a game show that it's like a spelling bee, and they'll shame the. It's not like for kids. It's for executives and diplomats and well-educated people, and they shame them the next day in the newspaper. There's games. Oh, and okay, so Japanese. We have to talk about Japan boasts a 99% literacy rate. 99%. It's because they take rote practice of kanji very, very seriously. Okay? You just keep practicing writing those kanji until they're in your muscle memory. Spanish. Let's talk about Spanish. ¿Cómo está, papá? How you doing, Dad? Or how is Dad doing if I take the comma out of here? Okay? ¿Cómo está, papá? How do I eat this potato? You don't want to miss those up, right? Tengo 16 años. I am 16 years. If you leave the tilde off there, you say you have 16 buttholes. Please don't do that. Répétez, s'il vous plaît, my French students. You want to ask me, répétez, s'il vous plaît? Please repeat that. If you leave those accents off, répétez, s'il vous plaît, you're asking me to pass wind at you. Please don't ask me to do that. I can't do it on command. Okay? Let's talk about French for a second, okay? Look at how important spelling is for French. Parler, parler, parler. Parler, 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 all pronounced the same. All right, I made up one of these. One of these is a borrowed word into English, okay, because we spell it wrong because we didn't hear it right, okay? So it's got English invented spelling in it. But you could see the spelling is really, really crucial. Okay, this is the one we borrowed into English. This is your Pirates of the Caribbean, parlay, okay? And this is the one I made up, all right? Everything else is an actual word. So again, just like last time, let's look at some more words we're working on. Choose 5. You might still be struggling over one of the ones we did last week. Hopefully you've got those in your long-term memory and we're ready to move on to other words, but if not, that's okay. It's going to take more than one time. It's going to take more than 1 week to learn things. So if you want to revisit some of the words or even all of the words that you wrote down last time, go ahead. I'm okay with that. Write them 3 times each. That spelling is going to help you. All right? All right. See you with the other assignments today.